Good day, everyone. So today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating 3D shape in geometry, and that is the pyramid. As we all know, that is one of the wonders of the modern architectural designs that we have, and also captures human imagination for centuries. Until now, we still don't know how the pyramid was built by the Egyptians before. But for now, we are going to talk about volume and surface area of the pyramid. When we talk about volume, again, we are talking about the space they occupy. And for the surface area, the area covering the whole shape. So by learning how to find this measurement, we can connect geometry to real life application like construction, design, and even archaeology. So pyramid. Let's start first with the volume of the pyramid. So the volume of the pyramid is equals to one third times its base area and height. So B square, we are talking first with square pyramid, meaning the base of this pyramid is square, just like the pyramid in Egypt. Not totally square, but rectangle, rectangular pyramid. So the name of the pyramid will be the shape of its base. So if its base is square, so that's a square pyramid. If the base is a rectangle, that is a rectangular pyramid. It's a triangle, that is a triangular pyramid. So today we are going to talk about square and triangular pyramid. To find the volume of a pyramid, we follow the formula one third times b square height. B square meaning the base area, the area of the base. So since the area of the base is a square, and to find the area of the square, that is equivalent to s square. So we use b as our variable. So why is it one third, not one half, not one sixth? Why is it one third? So if you are going to imagine a rectangular prism, maybe a box, and a pyramid that have the same base and the same height. So if you are going to fill that pyramid with something like sand or water and pour it into the prism, you need exactly three pyramids of that size to completely fill the prism. So the pyramid's volume is always one third of the prism's volume. So that is why the pyramid is always one third of a cuboid, rectangular prism, or rectangular prism. So if, for example, we are going to find the volume of the square pyramid with a base of 16 centimeters and a height of 21 centimeters. So formula for the volume of the pyramid, that's one third times the base area times height. So we have one third times base area is 16. Base is 16. So since this is a square pyramid, if the base is 16, the other side is 16, that's the base area, 16 square, times the height, which is 21. So I'm gonna need my calculator. So that's one third times 16 square times 21 divided by 3. Oh, that's divided by 3. That's 1,792 centimeter cube. And that is how you find the volume of a square pyramid with a base of 16 cm and a height of 21 cm. Next, we are going to find the volume of a square base pyramid with a base of 4 inch and a height of 6 inches. So same formula, volume is equals to one third times the base of 4 Since this is only the base, not the area, to find the area of the square, so we are going to use a square. 4 square times 6. So you multiply this one in your calculator. The answer is 32. Not forget the measurement. Inch cube. Next, to find the volume of a square pyramid when the base and the slant height are known. So what's the difference between slant height and the height? The height is the measurement from the tip of the pyramid until to the base, and it always lead us to a 90-degree angle. That is the height. But for the slant height, not this is not the edge. This is not the same with the edge. Slant height is the height between the tip of the pyramid going to the edge of the base, the pyramid. And as you can see, we can imagine a right triangle for this pyramid. So we have the slant height. We also have the base. So unsaon nato pagkuha sa volume sa square pyramid with the base and slant height are known. So for example, this figure, we have 9 cm. We also have 6 cm as our base. So the formula is 1/3 still times base area, base square times height. Our problem is we don't have a height. So how to find the height? So we have slant height of 9 cm. We also have this one. This is just half of our base, which is 3 cm. So 9 cm square minus 3 cm square. This is how we find the height. This is Pythagorean theorem and finding letter B or letter A. Depends on what letter you are going to use. So simplify, this is 81 centimeter minus 9 centimeter. 81 minus 9, it is equivalent to 72. So this is h square. Extract square root. So square root of 72, that is equals to 8.49 something. You plug in on our formula, that's 1/3. Our base area or our base is 6 square times height, which is 8.49. Calculator. So this is approximately 101.88. Unit is centimeter cube. Next, we are going to proceed with the surface area of the square pyramid. So when we talk about surface area, the area of all sides that we have. So for a square pyramid, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangle and also 1 square. So we are going to get all of that one. And we, after we get the area of the triangle, there are 4 triangles. So we all know that a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And since there are 4 triangles, so that is equivalent to 2 base times height. Not just the height, but this is the slant height. It's 2bs, the slant height. And for the area of the square, it's s square. And since b is our variable for the base, that's b squared. So we come up with a formula, surface area is b squared plus 2bs. We find the lateral and total surface area. So lateral are just the figures that you can see directly, not the uh, is that it does not include the base area and the total surface area of the square. So we have the base of 7 cm, slant height of 12 cm. So surface area is equivalent to b square plus 2bs. So our b square is 7 square plus the slant height, it's 2 times 7, 7 times 12. It's equivalent, it is equivalent to 49 plus 3 times 7 times 12 is equivalent to 168. 168 plus 49, that's 217 centimeter square. So for the question, what's the lateral area? So our lateral area is 168. The question, total surface area, our total surface area is 217 centimeter square. Next, find the total surface area for a square pyramid with a base of 3 cm and a height of 13 cm. So again, we are given with the height, not the slant height. So if we are going to draw this one, this is just for illustration purposes. So we have the base of 3 cm, but we don't have a slant height. Let's have another color for the height. This is the height. The height is 13 cm. So we need to have this side. Let's have another color. Again, we need to have the slant height. And we all know what is this one. This is 1.5 since the base is 3 cm. So using Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse of the triangle, so that is the slant height is S. So we add 1.5 square plus the height of 13 square. Calculator, that's 1.5 square. 2.25 plus 13 square is 169. I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Okay, 169 plus 2.25, that is 171.25. So S square, this is S square. We also have this one, extract square root. So the value of our slant height is the square root of 171.25. So that is approximately 13.09 cm. And this is 13.09 cm. So we can use the formula in finding the surface area, which is base square or b square plus 2bs. So our b square is 3 square plus 2 times 3 times 13.09. Okay. Just make your screen be clear since it's very hard to write numbers in my screen. So that is 9 plus 2 times 3 times 13.09 is 78.54 plus 9, that's 87.54. The unit is centimeter square. And that is how you find the surface area of the square pyramid given the base and the height. The same goes with triangular pyramid, but the difference is the base. For triangular pyramid, the base is a triangle. So we have the slant height again. We also have the height. We also have the base. This one is the base. Okay, so what is the volume of a triangular pyramid whose base area is 9 inch and the height is 4 inches? So again, formula for pyramid, that's volume is 1/3 times the base area times the height. So everything is given 1/3 times 9. No need to square since this is a base area. 9 times 4, that's 36 divided by 3 is given to 12 inches cubed. Next, we're going to find the surface area of a regular triangular pyramid with a base of 16 cm and a slant height of 19 cm. So same, let's draw first the pyramid so we can visualize everything. So we have this slant height. Let's have another color for the slant height. Slant height of 19 cm. And we also have the base of 16 cm. Let's have 16 also this one since this is a regular pyramid. So can we still use the formula? Yes. Okay, so well, I will talk again. So since there's an interruption with my connection, again, we're going to find the surface area of a regular triangular pyramid with a base of 16 centimeters and a slant height of 19 cm. So to find the surface area of regular triangular pyramid, same, we still need to have the base area since our base area is triangle, or shall we say there are 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles in this problem, but let's have the formula that we have. So the base is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so it's 1/2 base times height plus we have 3 times 1/2 base times height. Our height here is the height plus 3 and 1/2. Sixteen, then so that's 16 times 12 is a bit for area. Lateral area, that's 3 times 16 times 12 divided by 288 area. So the total surface area, that's 96 plus 288, which is equivalent to 384 centimeter square. So, sir, can we use 4 base times height or 2BH? 2BH for the surface area is surface area. The surface area of the regular triangular pyramid you can use. But if the question will say, what is the lateral area? So this is our lateral area 288. What is the base area? Base area is 96. So I think that is everything for today. I hope you have any if you have any questions for this lesson, you may try to ask me. Do not hesitate to ask questions. You comment down your questions if you have questions, and I'll also be posting your quiz for this topic. Goodbye and thank you, everyone.